The transformation of Spotify Camp Nou is entering another exciting phase, and some of today's progress completely changes the look of the stadium. The old pitch has officially disappeared. Major work is advancing high above in the third tier, and the second cantilever continues to take shape. If you want to stay up to date with every major milestone, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into today's construction update. Work continues to advance across the third tier as preparations move into the next construction phase. The first permanent stadium lighting fixtures have now arrived on site and are ready for installation in the Tribuna section. At the same time, crews continue working on the steel support structures beneath the third tier that will carry the future compression ring, while additional finishing work progresses across the upper seating areas. Materials and equipment are now being positioned across the upper levels, showing that more installation work will continue over the coming days. The pitch area has now entered a completely new stage of construction. Heavy machinery has finished removing the entire grass surface along with the upper layers of the playing field, leaving the pitch fully stripped and leveled. Excavators and earth-moving equipment have been working to clear the remaining material and prepare the base for the next phase of groundworks. With the old surface now completely removed, crews can begin preparing the foundation that will eventually support the stadium's brand new pitch and its modern drainage and irrigation systems. Construction remains active across the second cantilever, with crews continuing work around the structural cores and service areas. Steel framing around the elevator and staircase sections continues to expand, while sandwich panel installation progresses on several core structures. At the same time, new material deliveries are arriving regularly to support the next stages of construction, including structural components and building materials that will keep work moving forward across this level. Progress continues inside the South Goal Mobility Core as temporary scaffolding is now being removed from the elevator shaft area. This signals that the structural work inside is largely complete, allowing crews to move into the next phase. Exterior sandwich panel installation is expected to begin soon, while the lower entrance sections will later receive their concrete facade panels. The neighboring mobility core is still under construction, but is gradually reaching the same stage. Ceramic louver preparations have advanced significantly across the South Goal facade. Many new support brackets have been installed beneath the false ceiling, while additional mounting connections are now visible higher up along the facade. Installation has also started progressing toward the Tribuna side, showing that the ceramic facade continues expanding section by section. Finishing work continues on the stadium's steel structure as several beams have now received a fresh protective white coating. At the same time, elevated work platforms remain active while crews prepare the service corridor beneath the cantilever, where electrical cable infrastructure will eventually be installed. These finishing activities continue to spread across the South Goal area. The South Diamond continues to move closer to completion. Interior block walls have now reached their final height, while additional formwork has been installed around reinforced structural columns. With the glazing already in place, crews are now focusing on completing the remaining structural and interior elements before moving into the next construction phase. Overall, this diamond is now entering its final structural stage before more architectural finishing work begins. The ceramic facade keeps growing along the lateral stand. More louver sections have now been connected together, creating longer continuous facade segments with only a few unfinished gaps remaining. Workers continue extending the installation toward the remaining sections, steadily transforming the stadium's exterior appearance. Every newly completed section makes the stadium look much closer to its final architectural design. Behind the facade, crews remain busy preparing and adjusting the mounting anchors that will support the ceramic louvers. Protective coverings are still visible on several anchor points while final alignment work is carried out. Additional louvers remain stored nearby, ready for installation as soon as these preparations are completed. The central north goal facade is now almost entirely covered with ceramic louvers. only a small, unfinished opening remains between sections, while additional louvers have already been positioned nearby for the next stage of installation. Drainage and utility work beneath the cantilever also continues progressing across this section. The remaining unfinished areas are now relatively small, showing just how advanced this part of the facade has become. Construction around the North Goal Mobility Core continues steadily. Elevated work platforms remain active as crews carry out structural finishing around the elevator shafts and prepare the remaining areas for future sandwich panel installation. Progress here is gradually bringing the mobility core closer to its final exterior appearance. Several finishing activities are now taking place simultaneously, allowing this section to progress on multiple fronts at once. One of the biggest updates comes from the North Goal corner, where ceramic louver installation has officially reached the Tribuna side. The first row of louvers is now in place, while many more are already stacked nearby waiting to be installed. This marks another important step in extending the stadium's ceramic facade around the entire perimeter. With materials already prepared on site, this corner should continue progressing quickly over the coming days. Additional finishing work continues around the corner as crews paint the structural steel surrounding the mobility core. Utility installation beneath the cantilever is also advancing, with pipework gradually extending through this section, while elevated platforms remain active throughout the area. These support systems will play an important role in the stadium's future lighting, electrical, and operational infrastructure. The Tribuna side remains one of the busiest construction zones as preparations continue for the next stages of the compression ring. Large numbers of temporary support frames and steel components are positioned throughout the area, while new compression ring elements continue arriving on site. The structure is steadily advancing toward the remaining unfinished sections. Each newly installed pillar and radial beam brings the roof support system another step closer to completion. Heavy lifting operations also continue at the Tribuna, where another massive sleeper beam has been lifted toward the upper stadium using the tower crane. These structural beams are a key part of the future roof support system, and their installation highlights the ongoing progress across the upper stadium structure. Large crane operations like this remain one of the clearest signs that major structural work is still moving ahead at full speed. Work also continues across the Tribuna mobility cores, where sandwich panel installation is gradually expanding around the exterior. Construction materials remain distributed throughout the area as crews prepare additional sections for cladding while supporting ongoing compression ring operations above. With several work crews operating simultaneously, both structural construction and exterior finishing continue advancing together across the Tribuna stand. Construction activity remains strong across every major area of Spotify Camp Nou. From the continued expansion of the ceramic facade and mobility core finishing works to the rapid progress of the compression ring and roof support structure, the project is steadily reaching new milestones. With visible improvements appearing almost every week, the transformation of the stadium continues at an impressive pace, bringing the final vision of the new Camp Nou closer to reality.